Hi, I'm Nguyen, and this video is to explain my GUI assignment. And this is my assignment. There are the text box to include the output answer, the standard and scientific button, and a checkbox to use the dark mode. And also I use tab to have two tabs here. One is for calculator and one is to include the about us. In about us, I have an avatar image, score logo, and then brief introduce about myself. And also down here is to display the daytime of today. Okay, let's go to my calculator. And this is the output. I can use on the function and it display the right answer. The dark mode will change the color of tab calculator and also the tab about us. It will change the color of both tab. And when I click to scientific radio button, it will expand the tab and also expand the about us tab either. Okay, so I will test all the button here. I have clear entry to clear all the entry that I have put in. The clear button to clear the answer I enter in, and the delete button to delete only one number I have entered in. Let me test it for you. So if I press 8 multiply to 2, it will display 16, and when I use this button, it will minus 1 character, minus 1 number. Okay, I will use the button clear, and if I want to write 5, I want to write 5 plus 5, but I accidentally press 5 plus 9 and I don't want I want to enter the letter 5 again. I can use clear entry and press 5. Yeah, it's still the output 10. Okay, I will test another function either. There is the percent button. I can use as the button, like here 50% is, wait, hold up. If I have 33% is 0.3333, and there is the square root function here. It will display the square root of the number I put it in. Like example, I have 9 and square root of it is 3. If I put 25, it will display it. Wait, it will display 5. And I have another function in the scientific tool. The pi number will display the pi. The E number here will display the E number, which is 2.7, and there is the absolute function to find the absolute answer. For example, I have 955 minus 9. I have minus 4, and I can press to absolute function to have 4. Okay, and have the factorial button, which I can find the factorial of one number. For example, like 4 factorial is 24, or 6 factorial is 720. Yeah, that's how it works. And okay, I have the square button. It will display the square answer. The cube function will display the cube of it. Cube of 3 is 27. Cube of 5 is 125. Okay, and this button is to find the answer of 2 power of x. For example, if I want to find 2 power of 3, for example, it will display 8. 2 power of 5 is 32. And comes to the last 3 function, I have the sine, cos, and logarithm of 10. The sin I can have, let me see, how about pi divided to 6, and also I can find the sine of it. Yeah, it will display the number here. Or I can find cos of a number. Yeah, still display it. And the last one, I will test the logarithm of 10. Let me see. How about the logarithm of 40? It is 1.6. Or the logarithm of, let's see, the logarithm of 100 is 2. Yeah, and that's all about my function. Yeah, so this is my about us. Okay, let's come to the code. I need to fix here a little bit. Okay. Wait. The standard button. Here, I use this condition to the standard button. It will change the size of the tab, and also locate a new location for my output, and also my equal button. And as you can see, it will allocate another place for the label in about us. image in about us either. Okay. And the scientific will expand. It will expand the tab to display more function, more scientific function. The dark mode will change the color of all button. It will change the background to black and change the button to white. Let me test again. I can open the calculator in debug right here. Yeah, you can see it will have the dark mode. Dark mode for my calculator. It works pretty well. Okay. Okay. The percent button is just to display the here. We'll divide it to 100 and display the string number of it. The clear entry button will set the text of text display to 0. The clear entry, the clear button is set the text to 0, and the clear entry button is it will set the first number and the second number to nothing. Okay, let's come to the another button. Wait. Okay. You can see here that I set all the number button to have the action click here, and the action click will be number. Okay. Oh, all the number and also the dot, the decimal dot here too. It have a condition to like here. If the number equal dot, it will display the dot text of it, and if it don't have the dot, it will display the normal number. And okay, yeah, and on the operator I set it to operator click. Let me show you. I have the operator click here, operator click here. Okay, and the code I use is convert to double, convert the operator to double, and use the function of the operator. And this is my equal button. As you can see, if I use the text plus, it will plus 2 number. If I use the text minus, it will minus 2 number, and also for multiply and divide it. Okay. This function button to find the square root of a number. We use the math square roots to find it. and also the other function button scientific tool. Yeah, you can see here there are many buttons, but it is hide already. Okay, wait. This is the button to find the square of a button. It will multiply itself once, and wait, let me see. Okay, this is all I have. To find the cube, I just multiply 3 times of a number I put it in. The factorial number, I use the loop for to find it, like what I learned in programming 1. This function is to find the absolute number. It just convert the minus number to the opposite number of it. The button to square x, I use the math power to find it. The A button, it will display the A number, which is 2.7, and also the pi button, I use math.pi here. Okay, the log button, I use log 10 of math class. The square root, I use square roots of math class. Okay, and also the sin and cos, I use sin and cos in math class either. Okay, I think that's all of my explanation about my code. Okay. Oh yeah, I can find the calculator in my debug here too. We still have all the function. Works perfectly. Okay, that's all. Thank you for hearing my explanation.